How to perform the TRX suspension trainer clock press, a functional bodyweight strength move that targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, while also challenging stability and control through unilateral pressing. 1 setup. Adjust the TRX straps to mid-length. Stand facing away from the anchor point, holding one handle in your right hand. Walk your feet back into a plank position on an incline, so your body is at about a 45-degree angle, feet narrow stance or shoulder width apart. 2. Body position. Engage your core and glutes. Keep your shoulders down and back, spine neutral. Your pressing arm, right, starts in front of your chest, elbows slightly bent. 3. The movement. Right arm straight out from your body, parallel to the ground, or right arm straight outward, shoulder square with the ground. Bend left elbow, left arm at 90-degree angle from the ground to form a chest press-like position. Pause briefly at full extension. Return with control to the starting position. 4. Repeat. Perform 8 to 12 reps on one arm, then switch sides. Coaching cues. Keep your hips square. Don't let your torso rotate. Avoid letting the shoulder collapse forward. Move slow and controlled. This is a time under tension stability press. Adjust your foot position. Step forward for less resistance, back for more. Muscles worked. Primary, chest pecs, anterior deltoids, triceps. Secondary, core stabilizers, serratus anterior. Obliques, due to anti-rotation. Scapular stabilizers. Variations progressions. Start with a regular TRX chest press to build strength. Try clock press at different clock times, e.g. 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock for variety. Use a slow tempo or pause at full extension to increase difficulty. Please check my next video.